Hi guys. Today we're not doing a passing video, we're doing a shooting video. I'm Sid, the toe punk kid, and I'm going to teach you how to do a toe punk. All you got to do is hit the ball with your toes and it'll go in. Hi, I'm Logan and I'm the Prince of Finesse. So you basically hit it with this part of your foot to curl it in so the goalkeeper can't get it. Try and get it into one of the corners. Sid again, and I'm going to show you a chip shot. All you've got to do is put your foot underneath the ball. That's how you do a chip shot. Hi, I'm Logan. I'm the power shot king. So you have to hit it with your laces, so these parts, and you have to kick your leg so fast, and then it'll go so fast from the goal. Alright, next I'm going to do the simple dribble up and shoot it past the keeper. Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm the GOAT of Travella. So you got to hit it like this. Next one we're doing is a half volley or volley. Doesn't matter which one you do. A half volley is where it will touch the floor like that, and then you kick it. A volley is just, well, it's mid-air, you just kick it. So I'm going to try and do both. This is the time where I become the GOAT of bicycle kicks. So you've got to jump backwards and then you've got to hit it, but you have to hit the floor. So you have to be really careful. And I'm going to give you a demonstration. Hi guys, it's Logan, and I am going to try to knuckleball it, but I'm not sure if I can do it. So the best version of trying to do this is where you hit the valve so knuckleballs all over the place. The next one we're going to do is hit and hope, and here's Sid with the last one. All you got to do is just smash it as hard as you can and hope it goes in. Drink prime. So the next one we're doing is technical difficulties.